Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Listen, many people has been asking Gerlana and I, when are we going to get started back on her 63 Ford Fairlane? Well, I'm ready to get started. The weather's about to break, and we need to get started on this right away. Don't you agree?
I agree.
Okay, so I have to. Hey guys, you got the support of your wife, you can do anything. Listen, if you are not a subscriber, hit that little square button over to your right and become a subscriber right away. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do, I just want to go ahead and put this trunk on.
Perfect. See, I got both of these on this side.
Okay.
Now, I need to go back over here. Okay, I can see that one there.
All right. Got it.
Okay, so we've gotten the trunk installed, and now I'm gonna go ahead and ask Daryl if he can just go ahead and get it lined up for us. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on the differential. See you in a few. While Daryl is working on getting the trunk aligned, I'm gonna be completing the assembly of the differential. I'm going to install the gasket. And here we go. Next, we're gonna put in this axle. Oh, it's heavy. And this is a positive traction differential. But if you were interested in converting your differential to positive traction, there is a video. I just kind of pushed down a bit, and it was able to go straight in there. But if you're interested in learning how to convert your differential to positive traction, click on one of Daryl's videos, and he'll show you how to do that. Okay, we're gonna put the lock nuts on. Next, we're gonna use the impact gun and tighten the nuts. Now I'm going to torque just to make sure that I've got they're nice and tight.
See what we got here. I think we can move this out the way. Just like to have something there to, in case I make a mistake. So now that I have it snug, I really don't have it snug, I have it loose enough to actually slide the trunk back and forth. What I'm gonna do is just line it up and make sure I got the lines exactly the way I want it. It looks great in the back. I'm gonna go to the front, and you can see that it's actually higher in the front, and that's fine. I'm mainly concentrating on the lines. Looks good on this side. I'm gonna hold it in. I feel pretty good about that. All right, let's tighten her up. All right, we'll go inside the trunk area. Now I have to say, when you put in your insulation, the trunk insulation, don't be surprised. It may be a little tight, or you may have to make a little adjustments, but we're gonna go ahead and get the lines the way it needs to be, and we'll worry about that later. Get the other side.
So now I'm gonna repeat what I did on the other side on this one. I am actually holding in my hand, which is likely the original brake line to my 63 Ford Fairlane. So we chose not to use this brake line. Instead, we went to our local auto store and purchased a new brake line.
Well, I went back and made some minor adjustments. Just want to look at the lines one more time. That looks great. Great. All right. Like brand new. Wow. Great job on the differential. Let's go see what Girl Anna's doing on the brake lines. How you coming along?
I'm doing well. I just put this in here and I'm gonna try to make this replica. So I just gotta bend it. Damn.
Okay.
I think that's good.
Looks good to me.
Yep. Get out. Which way is that going? Down. No, look like it's going up.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a big up.
Is that where you want it?
No, yeah, I think so. Would you agree?
Yeah. So guys, all it takes is just a little time and you can master this. I would never use
Now I need to go
old brake lines.
right there.
Okay. Let me hold my finger on it.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay. I think it needs to go up again. Let's see. Yeah, it needs to go up.
Okay.
So this gives me a general idea, looking at this old brake line, about how I need to replicate the bends. It doesn't have to be exact, but it does have to be, it does give me a general idea as to what I need to do with the new brake line. All right, so I've bent my brake line. Let's see what we've got here. Let's see. It's gonna go.
Give you a hand here.
I got it.
You got it?
Yes. Does that look right?
Again, guys, this is a lot quicker than
How does it look?
ordering one. That works great.
Okay.
That's in there.
So, let's see if that's gonna fit here. Oh yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Put that there. Now I'm gonna have to cut it. This is my old one. So this is what I duplicated or replicated. And looks like I'm gonna have to cut this because it's gonna need to go into here. So I need to cut it right about
That's a good spot.
there.
Okay. Let me find something for you to mark it.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm going to prepare to cut this brake line. I'm just going to keep tightening them. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I want to make this, the end that I cut, look like this old end. I want it to be flush. So I've got that in my vise. And now I'm gonna put this in there like so. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it like this. Inch. Then one more turn. I'm gonna back off. And let's see what we got. Now we're ready to put this. Let's see. Yep. Let's put this back on. We just completed the first half of the brake line on my differential for my 1963 Ford Fairlane. I am so happy to finally be back with you all to share what we're doing in restoring this Fairlane. And in the famous words of Daryl Patterson, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up if you like it. And until next time, God bless.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Listen, if you're not a subscriber, hit that little square button over to your right and become a subscriber right away. Many people have been asking Girlane and I, when have we...
Girlana.
Okay. We have... Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. All right, let's do it now.